Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have Gala Daily Update. We are going to see the next price targets, and before we continue, do not forget to join our monthly subscription Patreon/Mind Your Crypto. You're going to get easy profits trading 200 altcoins, a manual system with over 90% win ratio, personal guidance, educational videos, and many other benefits. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. Now is the time to join us on Patreon. And before we continue, I hope that you're having a fantastic day as well. Let's go right now to see Gala. So Gala right here, correcting over the previous 3 days. But today, it made us a nice surprise, plus 14%, and it might keep going higher. For the time being, as you can see, Gala is above the 20-day exponential moving average in the weekly scale, which is very good. On the other hand, we have on the daily frame Gala getting above the 200-day moving average, which is another good thing to do as well. Now you will ask me, Bill, can this keep going on and on? Or are we going to have a correction pretty soon enough? Because yes, if you can see the previous days, Gala corrected, but not such a great correction, not such a huge correction, right? You can see, for example, in the daily frame on the Friday, 13 January, Friday and 13, amazing, we had a nice plus 25% pump. Okay, but the corrections were very small, -2%, -2%, and -4%. Right now, can we see a bigger correction? Or are we going to go all the way up higher for Gala? What is it going to happen, Bill? So I'm having some nice retracement numbers, Fibonacci retracement. For Gala, the fact that we closed above this line, right here, the 0.1039, it is pretty awesome. Why is that? Because it has many chances into seeing the 0.107. So Gala could manage to go there into the 0.107. We just need a little bit further pump. Right now we have the Bitcoin into the triangle retesting the top trend line as well. We need to see what Bitcoin is going to do again. But on the other hand, let's talk a little bit about the short term for Gala. Because Gala right here has 1, 2 very short side divergences. If it has a third one, let's assume that the RSI will close right here. Okay, let's assume that the 4-hour frame will do something like this. Then you need to exit Gala long immediately. Okay, so I would assume that by now you know if we see a third bearish RSI divergence, then what is the most possible scenario for Gala? It is to correct. And you need to be extremely careful. Gala has a plus 8% right now in the 4-hour frame. It might go even higher. I hope that it goes higher. On the other hand, though, you need to be careful because in the 1-hour frame, for example, we are having not only one, but 1, 2, 3, 4 bearish RSI divergences. And the price is not something that we wanted to see. What I mean by that is that I would like to see between those bearish RSI divergences a higher high pattern, a very huge higher high pattern, instead of this small week of distribution, I would say, right? Okay, could be the case if you see the third bearish RSI divergence, then exit the market. Now, for the very lower time frames, if you are into scalping trading or you are into short-term trading, now Gala did something very good, closed above the 0.786. But what we need to do, it is simply to close above in the 4-hour frame as well. If we close above the 0.10532, it is very possible that we go to the 0.1058 from where we are right now. This is another 10% profit target. Amazing stuff, right? Yeah, it could be the case that it goes all the way up. This is for the very short-term price analysis. Closing above will get us all the way. Okay, so if you see the 4-hour frame closing above this line, then we are going to go all the way up. Now, someone would argue that I'm using the non-logarithmic scale instead of the logarithmic scale. I prefer the logarithmic scale, most of the times. Okay, the non-logarithmic is also good. So in particular, if you want to use the non-logarithmic, you should be having also the 0.105340. Sometimes the feds are playing between the manual and the logarithmic scale, and what they are doing is we are closing above, for example, the logarithmic, but we do not close above the non-logarithmic scale. So you think that we are bullish, but in particular we are not. So anyway, I want you to have a little bit of patience for Gala. It seems though in the weekly frame that we can approach the point 106 to point 107. This would be fantastic. I hope the best for you that you have longed Gala. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription as well, and see you soon with many more videos. Bye.